In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT Incognito Mode Temporary Chats 2026 Guide. If you want to brainstorm freely without cluttering your chat history or shaping long-term personalization, this mode is built for clean, one-off sessions. Start by opening a fresh workspace and head to chatgpt.com, click New Chat in the sidebar, and look to the top right of the page header. You'll see a pill-shaped button labeled Temporary with a speech bubble outline. Click it to launch an incognito workspace. If you love shortcuts, press Command plus Shift plus O on macOS or Control plus Shift plus O on Windows or Linux. You'll know it worked when the main composition area and borders turn darker. That visual shift confirms you're inside a temporary chat. Now, here's what changes under the hood. Your conversation will not create a new entry in the left-hand chat history. It won't be saved and it won't be searchable later. The long-term memory system is also isolated here, so the model can't read any of your stored preferences or save new facts about you to settings, personalization, or manage memories. One important exception: custom instructions still apply. If you've set a preferred tone or background details there, they'll carry over unless you remove them in your settings before you start. Because this workspace is volatile, think of it like a sandbox that disappears when the tab closes. Before you navigate away or refresh, copy anything you want to keep. Highlight the response, then press Ctrl-C or Command-C and paste it into your Notes app or a document. Public share links are heavily limited in this mode, and any files you upload while temporary is active won't persist in your account's file library. So plan to store important uploads or outputs elsewhere. Let's clear up a common misconception. Temporary chats help with organization and reduce personalization bias, but they don't make you invisible to networks, ISPs, or corporate trackers. Additionally, while your session isn't used to train public models, an encrypted copy is retained on OpenAI's servers for 30 days for security and abuse monitoring, after which it's deleted. To compare quickly, in standard chats, conversations save to the sidebar, long-term memory can read and store personal facts. Training may apply unless you've opted out. Uploads can remain in your file library, and server retention can continue until you delete data. In temporary chats, none of that sticks. No sidebar logging, no long-term memory, no training use, files vanish when the tab closes, and back-end retention is scheduled for deletion within 30 days. That's it. Tapping the temporary button is the fastest way to test ideas, draft quick copy, and keep your main workspace clean. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.